Can I talk you into hitting the like button before we proceed? It really helps expose more English learners to these videos. Meaning of the English idiom and phrasal verb, talk into. To talk someone into something means to persuade them to do it. To overcome someone's objection to something through reasoned argument or by coaxing or badgering. Or in other words, to convince someone to do something. Examples of use. They talked me into going to a party on Friday night even though I had to work on Saturday. You're not going to talk me into selling you my car. I love it too much to ever sell it. Rick tried to talk me into giving him money for some silly investment opportunity that he's convinced is going to make us rich. Another variation you'll often hear is to talk some sense into someone.
Can you talk some sense into her?
To talk sense into someone is to persuade them through reasoned arguments or by coaxing to start thinking about something in a more sensible way, or to stop behaving foolishly or stupidly. When more forceful methods are used, the idiom knock some sense into someone is often substituted. Origin of idiom. This idiom was first seen in print in 1697.